Got a pretty good showing of Land Cruisers at the YotaNights. Let's check it out. Another 80 series. There's the Supra that was here last time. Evidence of wheeling on the doors, obviously. Here's a really nice FJ62. That color is so nice. That's a 62. Yeah, that one's sweet. Compared to my daughter's 62. So that's compared to the HJ61. So it's like the 62 square lights in the front, right? Same square lights, but that's the high roof. That's the difference. And diesel, which I'd have to say is the biggest difference possible. And I brought Godzilla. What'd you call these cars, Mackenzie? What type of cars are these?
I called it a hamster car.
Those are hamster cars? Yeah. You saw hamsters come out?
No, I forgot. It's like the ad. The hamsters are in it.
They're so small. And then a 60 series. Gotta keep reminding my daughter, the round light's 60, the square lights are 62, and the square light diesel is a 61. This is a toilet. The big 6.2, I think, under the hood. He's in my video from last year doing the flex competition. King shocks. That's a total beast. 80 series. Good old school FJ40. Wonder if he'll enter the flex contest.
We appreciate a lot. There's like some Hot Wheels. There's some Hot Wheels races over there. There's some shirts over there. There's some Hot Wheels. Yep. Yeah, get my table. I'll tell you what it says tonight. Please just tell me what the hell is wrong. Do you want to eat? Do you want to sleep? Do you want to drive? Just settle down, settle down, settle down. I give you let's go! Alright, come on! Let's go! Oh, let's go! Oh, let's go! Rock on, brothers. Get it back up a bit. Coming up. Hey, good, you're good. Just
A la mitad llega. Ahí viene el otro para que dale la. Ahí está, guacha.
792-687. 792-687. 792-687. 792-687 going once. 792-687 797. 797. 792-797. 792-797. Going once. 792-797. Burn it. 792. Let's do 792-356. 792-356. 792-356. 792-356. 792-356.
Well, who knew Godzilla won Most Unique JDM at the OC YotaNights 2022. Way to go, Godzilla.